This cornbread recipe is for those of you who are fortunate enough to have their own home ground cornmeal. The first thing I'm going to do is set my oven to preheat to 450 degrees. What I have is 1 cup of cornmeal, and I'm pouring these into a sifter. I like to sift anything made with flour. And 1 cup of flour. And in here I have 4 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to go ahead and put that into the sifter as well. And to the cornmeal and flour, I'm going to add 1 beaten egg, and 1 cup of milk. Now what I'm using is 1/2 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of buttermilk. But you can use all buttermilk, which will make the cornbread heavier. Or you can use just any kind of milk, 2% whole milk, whatever you happen to have. Now we're going to stir it up. And I have sitting on the stove one of my cast iron skillets. And I'm going to turn the burner on under it to heat it up. Now I don't normally measure my milk when I'm making cornbread. I just add it till it looks right. Okay, so if you can see down in this bowl, this really needs a little bit more milk because the batter has to be very loose or your cornmeal is going to be dry. And I'm going to add probably another 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, so now if you can see down in my bowl, this is very loose, and that's what you're looking for. To my iron skillet, I'm going to add probably 1/8 of a cup of oil. I use canola. That's just what I prefer, but you can add lard, you can add Crisco, any kind of cooking oil. And we're going to let that get very hot. That way your cornbread will have a nice crisp crust. Now, when the skillet is hot enough so that the water, if you flick some water on it just a little bit, the water dances on the surface of the skillet. I'm going to go ahead and turn my burner off because I don't want the bottom to burn. And I'm going to go ahead and pour in my batter. Now I'm going to pop the skillet into the oven that's been preheated to 450 degrees. Now I've been talking about using home ground cornmeal, but you can also use this recipe for any plain cornmeal. This is not a good recipe to use with self-rising cornmeal, but any kind of plain cornmeal will work. The cornbread should cook in 20 minutes. My alarm has gone off and the cornbread should be done. It's nice and brown on the top. Okay, here we are. It has a nice brown, crusty, crunchy crust. Let's see how it looks on the inside. After all, I do have to try it, right? And here we are. It looks really good. And I kind of like the outside. That is really good cornbread.